In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove job alerts on LinkedIn. If you want LinkedIn to keep an eye out for roles that match what you're browsing, job alerts are a simple way to get those opportunities delivered to you without constant searching. Start by opening the LinkedIn app or heading to linkedin.com in your browser. Once you're in, go to the Jobs section, which you'll find at the bottom right on mobile. From there, open any job listing that catches your eye. As you scroll down the job details, look for the option labeled Set Alert for Similar Jobs. Turn that on. That single switch creates a job alert based on the role and filters you're viewing. By default, LinkedIn will send you daily emails and in-app notifications with new matches, so you get timely updates without having to check back repeatedly. If you later decide the alert is a bit too frequent or you've already found a role, you can easily adjust or remove it. At the top center of the Jobs area, tap Preferences. Under the section called My Interests, choose Job Alerts. You'll see the alert you just created listed there. Tap the pencil icon next to it to edit the alert settings. This is where you can fine-tune how often you hear from LinkedIn. If daily feels like too much, switch the frequency to weekly to reduce inbox noise. You can also change the notification type so updates arrive only in the app instead of by email, which is helpful if you prefer to keep your inbox clear while still checking alerts when it's convenient. If you're done with that job type entirely, removing the alert is just as straightforward. Scroll to the bottom of the edit screen and tap Delete Job Alert. You'll be asked to confirm by tapping the red delete button. Once you do, LinkedIn stops sending notifications and emails for that alert, so you won't get any more updates tied to that specific role or search. A quick recap so you remember the flow. Create an alert by opening a job posting and turning on Set Alert for similar jobs. Manage or fine-tune alerts by going to Preferences, then Job Alerts, and tapping the pencil to edit. And when you no longer need it, delete the alert and confirm to stop notifications. That's all there is to it. If this walkthrough helped you streamline your job search, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.